Most drivers use maybe half of what their car can actually do. And I'm not talking about tech found exclusively on luxury cars. I'm talking about hidden features already in millions of cars that can make driving safer, easier, and cheaper. So here are 13 hidden car features most drivers never use. Some save you time and money. A couple can save you in an emergency. All right, let's get started. Number 13, cabin air recirculation button. That little symbol with a car and a circular arrow? In heavy traffic, tunnels, or construction zones, hit recirculation. It stops pulling in outside air and keeps the cabin air cycling inside. It also helps your AC cool faster in hot weather. Just don't leave it on in humid conditions, your windows will fog up. Number 12, the hidden key inside your key fob. Your electronic key fob usually has a real mechanical key tucked inside. Look for a small latch or release tab. It can save you when the fob battery dies and the remote stops working. Check yours before you need it. Number 11, the arrow next to the fuel pump icon. The tiny arrow next to the gas pump icon on your dash tells you which side the fuel door is on, especially useful in rental cars. One glance and you know which side to pull up on. Number 10, the fuel cap holder. Check the inside of your gas door. See that little notch or hook? That's designed to hold your fuel cap while you pump. Letting it dangle can scratch up your paint, and in the worst cases, it could let dirt sneak into your fuel system and can clog your injectors. Use the hook, every time. Number 9, rear-view mirror glare switch. If your mirror has a small tab underneath, that's your manual anti-glare feature. Flip it at night when headlights behind you are blinding. It changes the mirror angle so you still see behind you without getting blasted. Number 8, emergency shift lock release. If your battery dies and your automatic car won't shift out of park, many vehicles have a hidden shift lock release near the shifter under a small plastic cover. Press it, and you can move the shifter into neutral. This is critical if your car needs to be pushed or towed. Number 7, adjustable rain-sensing wipers. If your car has automatic wipers, you can probably adjust their sensitivity with a small dial on the stalk. A tiny tweak that makes bad weather driving much less irritating. Number 6, auto hold. Once activated, auto hold keeps the brakes applied after you stop, so you can take your foot off the pedal without the car creeping forward. Press the gas, and it releases automatically. If you're getting value from this, subscribe and drop a comment letting me know which features you wish your car had. Number 5, auto start stop button. If your engine shuts off at lights and restarts when you lift off the brake, that's auto start stop. It can promote premature failure to your starter motor or turbo. Look for the button to turn it off when you start your engine. Number 4, Icy Road Warnings. A snowflake icon appears when outside temps near freezing. It doesn't mean the road is definitely icy. It means conditions may be right for reduced traction, especially on bridges and shaded roads. Number 3, drowsiness detection. Some cars warn you if your driving looks tired. A coffee cup icon, a beep, or a message to take a break. Fatigue is a real safety issue. If your car gives you that alert, take it seriously. Number 2, tire pressure monitor system, TPMS. When your tires lose air, a warning light appears on your dash. Pay attention to it. If it stays on after inflating, drive for a while so the sensor recalibrates, or look for a TPMS reset button. Number 1, stability control. Electronic stability control keeps your car pointed where you want it by braking individual wheels when it senses a skid. Keep it on in normal driving, but if you're stuck in deep snow, mud, or sand, press and hold the button to turn it off and get the extra wheel spin you need. So there you go. 13 hidden features most drivers never use. Spend 10 minutes with your owner's manual, and you'll find features you've been ignoring for years. How many of these did you already know?